Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate brand icons using Heroicons licensing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate brand icons using Heroicons licensing, begin by visiting the official Heroicons website. Once on the home page, navigate to the licenses section to understand the usage rights. Here, you'll find detailed information about both the free and paid licensing options available for Heroicons. Choose the license that suits your needs based on your project requirements. If you opt for the free license, be sure to review its restrictions and permissions carefully. For those selecting the paid option, check the pricing and benefits offered. Download the icons you wish to use by selecting the desired styles and formats. Ensure that you save these files in a readily accessible location on your device. Next, familiarize yourself with the attribution requirements specified in the license. For free licenses, proper attribution ensures compliance with the terms laid out. If you're using a paid license, review the guidelines to confirm that you're covered in your usage. Now, if necessary, prepare the icons for your specific project format or integration. This may include resizing, adjusting colors, or converting formats based on your needs. After modifications, incorporate the icons into your design, whether it's for a website or application. Finally, keep a copy of your license agreement saved with your project files for future reference. By following these steps, you'll successfully authenticate and use Heroicons in accordance with their licensing terms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.